We just came in the entrance to the Space Needle, and we're going up there. Cool. But first, we're going to walk around in a circle and go through this. Did you set it off? She wants you over there. Me? The history of making the Spacey Needle. And I guess that's what it looked like. Pouring the concrete for it. And then they put these things in. And then they got in a long line and waited. So there it is, see the little people? Oh, it's like we don't even have to go in it now. It's like I've been there. Day 370. The needle is finished. Line over there for about 10 and 15 minutes. And now we're waiting in line over here for a few minutes anyway.
I'm going to need that 20 to operate the elevator. There you go.
Whoops. I don't suppose that's a window.
Welcome to the Space Needle. Hope everybody's having a good time. Hope you got your cameras out to take pictures and enjoy the view. Just a quick reminder, for the safety of our unvaccinated children and guests, masks are required in the elevator and indoors. Masks are optional outdoors for our vaccinated guests. Thank you. We're going up to 10 miles an hour, up to 520 feet in the air. We're going to be doing that in approximately 41 seconds. The building itself is 605 feet tall. Once you get to the top, you look for the bar, the rotating glass floor, the observation deck, and yes, even the restroom. You're going to walk to your right or left. As you're walking around, you're going to ask one of our team members or follow the signs, and they will take you to one of those 4 destinations. Thank you again, and have a great, great day.
Thank you.
Alrighty, have a great time.
Walking around with a head like a dork, but it's just picking up all kinds of stuff. It was really neat.
Very reflective.
Oh yeah.
Let me see your Oh, I want to chocolate.
Yeah, look how my hand's so tired.
We tried, it didn't work for us. I'm sick and tired.
Alright, baby, we'll do this.
Okay. Yeah, there.
You know, smile. Look like you're actually
We're good. One of you think we need some
Looks like downtown Seattle. Maybe Mount Rainier. See the mountain?
Can I help you?
I don't want more margaritas.
All right. That was a complete 360. So if you go down these stairs, somewhere, oh, one more flight. There's a revolving glass floor. It probably moves pretty slowly though.
my phone.
That's it. That looks like the Museum of Pop Culture down there. I guess if you want, you can lay there and look down. So they're rotating. Not yet. There's the elevator coming up. There's the gears driving this thing. Looks like another city off in the distance, a very tall buildings anyway. And I think that's Mount Rainier, I'm gonna guess.
To the right of Queen Anne Hill, you can see Lake Union. That is a freshwater lake, home to a large houseboat community, including the one from Sleepless in Seattle, as well as seaplanes take off and land there all the time.